Hey, what's up everybody? Bushhog here with another video. So soon, alright? Today, I've received my new microphone and I'm really excited about it. It is from Fifine technology. I don't know how I'm supposed to say that. It sounds stupid and probably Chinese. But I'm going to do, well, first let me start off with the intro. So everybody knows that the microphone on my headset, which is a Corsair I don't know what these are. I think they're called Corsair Void Pro Wireless or some shit like that. But it sounds okay, but you can constantly just hear me like, you know, which is nobody likes. So I said, okay, it's time to turn up the quality. Right now, the GoPro is picking up my audio, which I think the GoPro sounds okay. But after we do this unboxing, I'm gonna switch to recording from my PC, which will, the video quality is gonna go to shit because I don't have a very good webcam. My webcam's okay for streaming, but it only records 720p. So kind of stick with me there, please. All right, so I said I needed a new mic. Okay, let's look on Amazon. I usually don't buy things from Amazon, but I couldn't. There wasn't really a good other place to buy something. Amazon's just got such a huge selection. I wanted to spend $100 or less. And then I found this one that was actually the recommended buy or whatever. And I started looking at the features of it and the reviews, and all the reviews are really good. And one guy, which I'll try to put the video in there because it's pretty funny if I can download the video from his review, but this guy like sounds like Morpheus and he kind of looks like him a little bit.
Okay, I've got the microphone plugged into a USB port on my desktop. I'm recording this with a Logitech webcam. It took me a while to figure this thing out, but it turns out that it has a very narrow pickup pattern. And what that means is
like, this is a really good mic. You should definitely get this, Neo. Take the red pill if you would like a condenser mic for a fair price. After hearing that, I was like, all right, let's buy this. Anyway, so 45 bucks, free shipping. It shipped pretty fast to me, but anyway, let's take a look inside, right? So if I need to, we can, sorry, I gotta have my GoPro on the charger because it's trying to die on me, but whatever, let's take it off. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't die. So let's see what we got here. Let's turn on my handy dandy lamp. Okay, so user's guide, we'll look at that later. Adjustment. I'm thinking about getting a pop filter for this thing. I don't know if it's going to be necessary, but they're really cheap, so that's probably what I'm going to get. The mic is actually a little bit smaller than what I pictured in my head, but this is the mic, and the mic stand. Yeah, hang on. Take that out of there. So the mic stand is plastic. No, I don't know if it's plastic. It's hard plastic, but I think it's actually made out of metal. So that's nice. And I'm assuming that this just screws onto there, put it to you, and you're done. So all right. Let's get on to the review. Let's try this bad boy out, I think. Alright guys, so this is the Corsair microphone. I always think it sounds pretty bad when I listen to it myself. And that's why I took the dive and went and got this new one. I've listened to the new one myself. I think I need to get some kind of foam filter over it or something like that to kind of help deaden the background noise it picks up. A guy, the Morpheus guy I was watching, said that if you keep the microphone really close to you, it helps. I didn't experience that, but it does sound marginally better than this headset does. I mean, it kind of has to. I mean, you're talking about this little tiny, like, piece of shit wiggling around versus an actual diaphragm mic. So anyway, now we're going to switch over to the new microphone. Alright. This is the new mic. I think it picks up things a whole lot better. For the money, I think it's pretty good quality. I paid $45. Morpheus flute playing guy paid $27. So I'd say if you can pick this thing up for $27, pretty good buy. Way better than what you're gonna get out of this or like a webcam. My webcam probably will be my next purchase. I just wanted to make a quick video, let you guys know that all the money you guys don't give me and that I just have to work outside for is going to increasing the quality of bush hog videos. So anyway, I'm probably going to try and upload another rant. Maybe this weekend or early next week. I really don't like to force out video after video after video. But let me know what you guys think as far as, does the mic sound a lot better? And also, how often would you like to see me upload? Because I think that people kind of enjoy the frequency that it is now. I feel like if I put out videos every day, it would get just annoying. Like, I don't really care for people that upload longer videos every day. I feel like they're just being a tryhard. But I'm thinking 2-3 videos a week is pretty good. So once again, I appreciate all your support. Appreciate you guys liking the videos, and all the nice comments I get really makes me feel good about doing all this stuff and putting in the work to record and edit these videos and get drunk and talk to myself for 15 minutes. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.